Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about GPS signals and solar storms and all of that wonderful stuff. So we're starting to experience the same kind of issues that happened last year. Just for reference, we're at the bottom of the solar cycle, and so from what NASA says, we're more apt to have solar storms. And so a good point of reference is to go on to the NOAA satellite predictor or space weather predictor. It will actually show you when a storm is coming, and it just helps you to pinpoint when you're going to have issues, because what we see happening is one of those storms happens, 2 days later we get 1,000 phone calls that there's issues with steering, and if we go on, we can see that it's a G3 or a G4 storm. So Sarah's going to put the link at the end of the video so that you can go to that website. It will just allow you to try and plan some things. I know that doesn't always work with weather and everything else, but it at least gives you an idea that if your GPS is going crazy in the field, there may not be anything wrong with your unit. It may be signal interference. When we can see big setup of the northern lights, usually you're going to have issues with your GPS. So hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.